Hey guys, it's Natalie, aka Buttercup Budgets. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my weekly cash stuffing as well as stuffing some of my savings challenges. I'm not sure how much you can hear of it, but it is pouring down rain outside, so hopefully it sounds relaxing and not annoying. I will know when I'm done recording. My son woke up 4 times last night because of congestion, so hopefully with this rain and this gentle thunder, he has a nice long nap and he wakes up feeling better. I am very tired, but I'm sticking to my filming schedule. It is perfect nap time weather right now, but I'm gonna film just so I don't end up falling behind. All right guys, let's get out our money. For my weekly gnome from Save with Judy, I have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. And then for my other challenges, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61. Had an extra dollar, so I just threw it in here because why not? Okay, we're going to be starting with Christmas edition, This or That. This is from Mint Dough Co. on Etsy. I will have her Etsy shop linked down below. So as always, feel free to answer these questions. I'm just going to finish up this one today. We have 4 more questions. White Christmas lights or colored Christmas lights. I do like both, and I like the uniformity of white Christmas lights. But for some reason, I've been feeling colored Christmas lights lately. I just think they're so fun, and there's so many combinations of colored lights you can do. So I'm gonna go with colored lights. If I choose this, it's $1. That is $2, by the way. Candy canes or fudge. I actually don't like either. We'll go with candy canes, but only like the special fruity candy canes, like Starburst or Skittles flavor candy canes. Sugar cookies or gingerbread cookies. I like both. We'll go with sugar cookies since they're just a little more versatile. Skiing or ice skating. I have never done either of those, but always had daydreams of being a figure skater, so we'll go with ice skating. Okay. And we are done with This or That. So today, this challenge is getting $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. And in total, This or That saved 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. $26. Do you hear that? It is raining so hard right now. Okay, we are going to take out the money and take this challenge out. And this will be going in my Bluey lunchbox. And there we go. First challenge complete of the day. Okay, next I will be doing New Year, New Me. This was a collab between me, Lowe's World 733, and Shades Budgets. I will do a green die for the top and a blue die for the side. And we have a 5 and a 1. So 5 and 1 is this little skincare set right here, and that is $2. 1, 2. This one now has 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And then next, we will go to my Silly Goose Fund, and I will be giving this one $5 today. So each of these feet are $5, so I'm just gonna cross off one of them and put 5. This one has 25, 35. 35 out of $200. When this one is complete, it will go straight to my $1,000 emergency fund savings. Okay, that is it for this notebook. Okay, now it's time for my weekly gnome from Save with Judy. This week's gnome was worth $17, so here he is. And last week there was a correction. It was not $12, it was $13, so I went ahead and added that extra dollar into my envelope. So here is my $17 for this week's gnome. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. And this one now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 65, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 185. So if this last gnome is at least $15, this challenge would have saved us $200, which is amazing. I don't know if I mentioned, this is from Save with Judy. She does like a quarterly gnome challenge, and she just posted the one for January, February, March. So if you want to have a free savings challenge game, go to her channel and download the new one. Okay, next we have my new pet. This is a free game I made. It's linked in my Ko-fi down below. So basically you just roll a die. So I got a 5, so I'm going to color in, I'll use pink, why not? Color in a 5, and whichever row of dice is completed first is your new pet. So we have a pet rock, goldfish, guinea pig, corgi, cat, and shark. And you save the number that you rolled. So here's $5 going into my new pet. Okay, now on to my scratch cards. We have Christmas cookies from Our Beautiful Budgets, and I will be finishing this one today. We have 2 scratchers left. Let's scratch these off. We have $1 and $4, so $5. And we should have $50. 20, 45, 50. Yep, $50. And to replace that one, I will be bringing in Let's Make a Toast to the New Year from Divine Savings Co. This is a save 35 plus. And before I get started on my New Year challenges, I'm going to finish up a couple Christmas ones. So this one from Bookish Mama Budgets, I think only needed $12. So this one should be 12. And it is, so $12 more. Okay. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this one should save us $60. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60. $60. So 3rd challenge completed. And then we have another one that's going to finish, which is, I have some new scratch cards in here I have to introduce, but let me see, 5. We have a lot of ones. Okay. I am just going to go ahead and finish up my letter to Santa. And we are just going to do a D4 die. And we're going to save $3 in this one. 1, 2, 3. So let me write a 3 in this last little icon. So my letter to Santa saved 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. $29. There we go. All right, guys, let's count how much money we have left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. $23. Okay. So let's see what scratch cards we can do. Okay, let's do one on this one from Divine Savings Co. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay, 7 going into here. 5, 6, 7. Then we have Happy New Year from Save with Judy. This one saves $100, so these numbers might be high. 1, $8. Okay, not bad. I'm just gonna try to scratch the whole sticker off. I don't know if it matters to y'all. $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have $8 left. Let's do one from this one from Bookish Mama Budgets. 1, $2, and I'm going to take a risk and see if I can just roll again on this one. 3. 1, 2, 3. $2. Okay. 1, 2, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Should I risk it? How much money do we have in total? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. $34, so we have $16 in between these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why not? If I have an IOU, I guess it's not the end of the world. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $3. Okay, no IOU. 1, 2, 3. And I'm just gonna tuck this dollar away into the front envelope so I have an extra dollar for next week. But these little Christmas cactuses have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $37. Oops. There we go. Put this dollar in the front here. And there we go. We're done with our savings challenges. All right, guys, we have 4 challenges going into the Bluey Lunchbox today. We have Christmas Edition, This or That from Mint Dough Co. Christmas Cookies from Our Beautiful Budgets. This Little Winter Scene from Bookish Mama Budgets. And My Letter to Santa. These will all be counted up at the end of the month and reallocated. All right, guys, let's get into our last cash stuffing of 2024. We are working with 20, 5, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Okay. First up is car maintenance. If you didn't see my post, I had a dead battery and I haven't pulled that money out yet, but dead battery as a Christmas present for my car. So thank you so much to my Nissan. Really appreciate it. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 10, 15. 115 in car maintenance. Beauty is getting 5. Beauty is at 20, 45, 55, 65, 70. There we go. Clothes is getting 5. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 45, 55, 155. Home is getting 5. Home is at 20, 45, 55, 60. And gifts is getting 5. Gifts is at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, next binder. Okay, in this binder, I will still add $25 to Christmas, even though I don't think I'm going to buy any more things. Am I doing 20 or 25? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's for Ronan's birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is getting $25. Christmas is at 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $85. Okay. And then as normal, in my son's little birthday book, I'm gonna stuff $7 into his birthday. So it now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61. So $161. Okay, and I can color in a cake, so this one is going to be green. We have officially finished coloring the tops of these cakes. So when I hit, I just surpassed 160, so when I go to 170, I can color the cake part of these cakes. So in total, this savings challenge should save me $320. Okay. It is Christmas Eve when I'm recording this video, but I will be posting this video the day after Christmas. So down in the comments, let me know how your Christmas went. I hope everyone had a safe and fun holiday. Let me know any funny stories or amazing Christmas presents one of your kids got, that you got. Whatever you would like to share, feel free to do so in the comments. I love reading those. As always, please remember to like and comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.